What's up, you guys? This is the Mercury Doctor. My name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be replacing the window regulator and motor on my brother's 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis. He says that he has to constantly be banging on the door so the window will go up or down. And just yesterday he was fighting with the door. He was just banging on it, slamming the door. And luckily he won the round because he put the window up. But he's decided that it's time to replace the window regulator and motor. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get that done. So let's get to it.
Use a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the window switch panel. If you're not careful, you can break the back clip like I did a while back, and I still owe my brother a new window panel. Unplug the wiring connections. There should be a screw inside this door panel, but we don't have one because of weight reduction. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a picket tool to remove the door handle cup cover. Use a T30 Torx bit to remove the screw. Gently pry out this corner cover. Use a 7mm socket to remove the 3 door panel screws. Depending on the year of your Grand Marquis, some things will be a little bit different on the door panel. Lift the door panel and pull it out. Disconnect the wiring connections on the back. Remove this window weather strip. Remove the 3 Phillips screws holding the speaker and unplug it. Use a punch and a hammer to knock out the center of these rivets. Use a 3/8 drill bit and drill the rivets so they could come apart and remove them. Slowly pull the water shield down. Hammer the rivets on the motor and drill them out, and do the same for the bottom rivets that hold the regulator. The window motor sometimes works, so I was able to put the window down to remove one of the rivets. If the motor doesn't work and you can't put the window down, then you'll need to cut the wiring. I ended up doing this because the motor just gave up and I couldn't reach the second window rivet. Disconnect the motor. Remove the 2 top regulator 11mm bolts. Remove the window. Remove the window regulator and motor. Make sure to clean the inside of the door before installing the new regulator. use some bolts, nuts, and washers to hold the regulator and motor in place. Make sure there's no remainders of the old rivets on the window. Put the window back inside, the nose facing down, behind the regulator. Before putting everything back, make sure to test the window regulator and motor. And it looks like everything checks out. We're good here. My brother no longer needs to be punching the door.
Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and I highly encourage y'all to try doing this job. Trust me, I know it looks a little complicated, but it's easy. It's the only thing that was difficult was removing those rivets, and it wasn't because it was difficult. It was because my dumbass kept hitting my hand. So hopefully your accuracy is way better than mine. Other than that, real simple job, you guys, and I will have all the tools and equipment in the video description. Thanks for watching again. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.